Hey guys, in this video I am gonna create a new Facebook page from my PC step by step. After watching the video, please like and share it, also subscribe my channel. Let's start the procedure now. First open your Facebook and then press the pages button from the left section. Now press create new page. This is how your page look like. Okay, first of all enter your page name. After that choose your page category. And after that enter the page description, which describe your page best. I will do it later. Now choose your page profile pic and cover pic. After that press save button. Okay, your page is created now. Let's start the page setup procedure now. I will explain some important basic settings in this procedure, which help you to grow your page, like putting your page information, set action button, set username etc. These are the advanced features of the Facebook page. You should check them also if you wanna use your page professionally, like inbox to manage messages, business app store, Creator Studio for managing your content, Insight to check your audience, Publishing Tools, Ad Center to earn money from your page, Page Quality to check your page health. In this video I am gonna explain Edit Page Info, which is basic setting. Okay, first I will tell you about your unique username. Open this option, create username. Now enter your username which you wanna set. This username only belongs to you. If anyone search it, only your page will be shown in the search result. Taking the potion just to feel ya, 'cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. Well, it seems like there is a problem in this option at the moment. Make sure you pick up the unique username which is not used by someone else in past. Okay, move to the next option, action button. You can choose anything from this list. This button will appear at the top section when someone visits your page. I will set my YouTube channel to drive my Facebook traffic to YouTube. Next, you can edit your page info from here, which includes your contact, website, description, location, categories, etc. I think I'm overdosing. In settings, you can find even more advanced features. I will cover them in my next video, so make sure to watch that video too. Hope you like and share this video. Also, please give me a subscribe. Thanks for watching.
No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion just to feel ya, cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think that I think I'm overdosing. I think that I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing. It's getting stronger, can't take no longer. Walking on fire, I'm getting higher just to feel ya, cause I need you. Feels like I'm burning a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion just to feel ya, cause I need ya. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.